In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete all YouTube watch later videos. So let's get started. So first of all is that let's add something into our watch later list. So click here. Just click on the three dots on the videos and click on save to watch later. And if you are inside the video, then what you could do is just click here on save and click on watch later right there, and then click on next. Now next is that we're going to click here on the three horizontal bars on the top left and just simply go into watch later, and then this is where you'd be able to see all of those videos. And from here, what you're going to do to delete all of them is that you can click here into remove watch videos if you can. If you have already watched some videos and that is all you'd want to remove. But if you'd want to literally remove all of them, then what you could do is that you would need to select them individually right here on the three dots right here on the right side and click on remove from watch later. So yeah, this is it on how you'd be able to do this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.